Sonic a hurt tonic, and the pain is gonna be chronic.
Okay, we get it.
Tails! Tails, you flip it. Not sure I trust this guy. Heads! Lucky. Don't give me that look. Oh, come on! You saw the wind blew that, right?
What? You gotta factor in bird migration. That's Gopher Ball 101.
That's totally unfair.
Maybe you need to work on your swing.
You kidding me? This has nothing to do with my swing. It has everything to do with luck. Oh.
Knuckles, I see you're upset, but
Don't bother trying to get me to talk about my feelings.
actually, I was going to try to get you to stop killing my grass.
Sonic the Luck Monkey beat me in Gopher Ball by getting totally lucky.
I thought you didn't want to talk about your feelings.
I don't. I just want to yell.
We all get into a slump now and then.
I'm not in a slump.
Oh, really? How many times have you lost to Sonic this week?
I told you I don't want to talk about this.
Maybe there's a disturbance in the luck balance of the universe.
That could happen? Stupid universe.
What you need to do is burn through the rest of this losing streak by bringing yourself as much bad luck as you can, as fast as you can, to speed up shifting the luck balance of the universe back the way it was before this all happened. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Shift the luck balance of the universe? Really?
I am so there. I can't believe I never thought of this before. When the luck balance of the universe shifts against you, just get it all over with as quickly as possible to shift it back. It's like one of those things. When you hear it, you're like, duh, that's so obvious. Plus it plays to my strengths of taking horrible, painful, brutal punishment. I can almost feel my luck changing already!
Oh man, Knuckles. You okay?
Am I okay? Are you okay, you mean? Or are you getting too nervous about the Gopher Ball beatdown headed here? Oh, hey! Give me a minute. It's hard to trash talk with a punctured lung.
Looks to me like you're not in much condition to play anything.
You only think I'm not in much condition to... whatever you said. But in fact, I finally tipped the luck balance of the universe back in my favor. Your lucky streak is over, Sonic. Brace yourself, my friend, because there's nothing but sunny skies ahead for this...
Even with a mind as powerful as mine, it's important to keep the reflexes honed. That's why you robots will serve as my opponents in this training exercise. On your marks, get set, go! Stop. Oh, ow! Is someone stepping on my mustache?
Wait, no one is stepping on your... If I didn't know better, I'd say there was a shift in the luck balance of the universe.
Come on, meteors! Take your best shot!
You've got to do something. He's going to hurt himself.
What do you suggest we do?
You could lose to him on purpose.
What else you got? I'll talk some sense into him. Leave it to me. Lux, you're wasting your time with this luck stuff. Been beating you lately entirely due to skill.
Luck!
Skill.
Luck!
Skill. Like the way I beat you in this argument just now.
You didn't win yet because I'm still saying the word luck. Luck!
Can we discuss this somewhere else?
Sonic and his friends always defeat me by the slimmest of margins. But with the luck balance of the universe shifted entirely in my favor, there's never been a better time to attack. So let us attack this instant with everything we've got. Bring the Mega.
Sticks, you've got to help us make Knuckles stop right away. He's going to get hurt. Not if he shifts the luck balance of the universe in time. And what if he doesn't? I guess he'll probably be eaten by a carnivorous plant and slowly digested over a period of weeks or months. And we agree that's not good, right? I think that's the worst, but I've got confidence in him. Confidence in a guy who believes your crazy theory? Did you just call my theory crazy?
So, Nux, I was kind of hoping we could get you to stop this nonsense before an asteroid pulverizes you into baby food. Any suggestions?
Admit that luck is the only reason you've been beating me all this time.
How about we have a rematch right now? Skill versus skill. Go ahead. Take your shot.
Don't you feel the ground rumbling?
Nice try, Lucky. Okay, that there was a little weird. I'll give you that.
A little? Are you kidding me?
Magnificent! The invasion is going swimmingly. And me without my floaties on. Note to self. Need hipper diabolical banter.
So, Eggman, what makes you think this stunt will go any better than the last dozen or so you've pulled?
The luck balance of the universe. That's what.
What? You believe that stuff too?
Sorry I'm late. What can I do to...
I'm unscathed from a little schwitzy, but no matter. It's also laundry day. Today is my lucky day.
You guys okay? Wow, that was nuts. I can't believe that.
We had him cornered. What are you doing here?
Helping?
You're not helping. You're just bad luck. I have an idea. Since you and your bad luck just hurt our side, why don't you just join Eggman and make it official?
Fine. That's how you're gonna be about it? I'm gonna work with someone who appreciates me.
Knuckles, come back!
Hold up. Let's let this play out.
Attention, village. Your panicked screaming and fear-addled hysteria have so charmed and delighted me these past few moments that I wish to extend my appreciation by debuting for you my most extravagant ode to destruction yet. Behold, the Mega! I call him that because he's 7% bigger than my other robots.
Eggman, I'm through with Sonic. I'm joining your side.
Ah! A defector has come to join the winning team. More good luck.
Pretty cool robot. New?
Yeah, nice, right? Safe to say my best ever. Though it's basically a prototype. Never really tested it in the field before, but the designs look really sound. So I figured with this string of good luck I've been having... Hey, now it's tested and I don't have to clean up the mess. Good luck with that, suckers!
Wow, my bad luck follows me wherever I go.
Or is it good luck? After all, our side won.
But I was on the other side. Even I didn't know about it.
Yeah, you see, you switched sides, and your bad luck overpowered Eggman's good luck, but you were really on our side, so by losing, you won.
Wow. Yeah. You know what I've been wondering, though?
Where crazy luck theories come from?
When the bad luck leaves me, where does it go?
There's a perfectly good explanation for this.